Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the World Trade Center for the Manila PAME 2023. And one of the exhibitors that will give you a quality product, a good furniture and designs. Let's welcome the 51, what's this?
51 all-weather furniture.
All-weathers. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Let's give a big clap offering to the Lord. No? All-weather furniture. Kasama po natin ngayon, siyempre, ang mga owners po. Simulan natin kay Mr. Dre Peñol. Magandang araw, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, at kasama rin natin si Miss Giselle Peñol.
Good morning, Sir Falcon.
Okay, sir, pag-usapan natin itong 51. No? So, kailan ba siya nag-start itong business na ito? I think this is a family business, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, we started at I think 2005. We ang nag-handle ng business is my parents.
Alright.
Nag-start to sa parents ko. Then nung medyo nagka-age na kami nung sister ko, binigay niya sa amin.
Okay.
Then kami na nagma-manage ngayon ng wife ko, which is we call the business 51 All-Weather Furniture Company.
Why this name, 50 All-Weather? Ano yung naging konsepto, ma'am, nitong business na ito, ma'am?
Honestly, reason why 51 kasi at year 2013 nag-restart ulit from the scratch. Kasi before it's all about natural wicker, natural wood, mahogany nara. Tapos merong year na parang after crisis, it's 2010, ganyan, hanggang sa 2013 ramdam pa rin. So kailangan mag-start over at the age of 51 ni father na ang dapat at the age of 50 okay na, retired na siya. So 51 kailangan mag-restart.
Kumbaga naisali na yung
Yes.
Yung legacy.
Yes. Pero nung 51 na yun, it's all about outdoor furniture. Nag-focus na po kami sa outdoor furniture.
Wow. Okay, pag-usapan natin, no, ibang klase nitong product nyo, no? It is a natural, right? So, what is the different your product to the other players, sir?
Actually, yung raw materials na ginagamit namin o mga materials na ginagamit namin is for all-weather talaga.
Talaga all-weather. Kaya pala all-weather, kahit anong situation.
Yes, sir. So, pwede siya sa indoor, pwede siya sa outdoor.
Yes,
Made of aluminum, synthetic rattan. So, talagang hindi siya nasisira, umulan, umaraw.
Wow.
For how many years? Lagay lang natin siya sa labas, walang masisira.
Oh, kaya now I know what's the meaning of all-weather.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so nakita natin kanina at mamaya papakita natin sa show natin yung iba't ibang klase ng design na ginawa nyo, no? So, ano ba talagang concept nyo, ma'am? Bakit? Ano po yung naging concept nyo sa pagdidesign nito, ma'am? Ano yung naging line of thinking nyo po, ma'am?
Actually, yung father ko, etong first stars ng company namin, yung
Apo.
designs namin is galing kay father. So siya lahat nakaisip nitong mga
Wow, very
mga
creative, no?
item na to. Yung mamaya makikita niyo yung lady shower,
Okay,
which is kinuha niya sa award ng FAMAS
Wow,
Award.
ay, PAMAS Award, oh.
Yeah, yung babae na.
Yung babae na kagano'n,
yeah, so
oh.
yung
Yes,
shower
I know
namin
that,
galing doon. Then the animals, nanggaling kasi siya sa iba't ibang country. So bawat country meron daw nagre-represent na animals. So
Tama,
gusto niya gawing furnitures sana lahat yun.
Wow.
Parang ganon.
Galing naman, no? So, very creative, eh, no?
Very creative si
And,
father.
syempre, very, nakaka-register sa may ng tayong PAMAS Award.
Shout out sa father ko kay Alfredo Peñol.
Hello, sir. The Filipino salute you, sir. At siyempre, sir, pag-usapan natin, sino yung mostly naging mga, alam ko marami, no?
Yes, sir.
Pero mostly sino yung naging mga target market nyo talaga nitong mga products nyo?
Dahil sa very unusual yung designs po namin for this mga iconic designs namin. Target market namin is hotels. Where we
Mga
have...
hotels, no? Mga
Yes po.
hotels, yes.
Hotels, sir. Pero meron din kaming mga
Residential.
mga madam, high-end
Yes.
markets na they want also to have these pieces.
Okay, you are here for 3 days, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you looking for a distributor, wholesaler, or just a project? Or mga gumagamit lang, sir?
Random clients, right? We're open naman sa random clients, hotels, resort, or private.
Yeah.
So
For trade buyers.
But are you open for distributor or partnership? Or
sir.
do you,
Yes, sir. As long as we can negotiate or
Alright, so if they want to experience the quality of the all-weather, okay, so ano ba yung paano kayo makokontak? Ano ba, meron ba kayong website or telephone number?
you can contact us through our social media platforms, sir, sa Facebook, Instagram,
Ito
51 All Weather Furniture. Yan, sir. And meron din kaming TikTok and
May TikTok din ha?
yes. And also the LinkedIn account, sir.
So yan, tignan nyo lang po yung mga nandito po sa ating nasa TV po natin. At sir, when it comes to price naman, is this competitive? Kaya ba na isang Pilipino? Kung gawa ito ng Pilipino at creative ito ng isang Pilipino, create ito ng Pilipino, kaya ba ng presyo ng Pilipino, sir?
Very affordable. Ikaw ba?
Yes, very affordable and competitive po yung reason ng price po namin. Kasi gusto po namin, yun po yung goal namin is to have a market share na may offer
Yes.
sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino na kaya nilang bumili ng outdoor furniture na made of aluminum.
At siyempre, dapat sir, tangkilikin ng gawang Pilipino.
Yes.
Lalo na yung gawa ng father mo.
Yes, sir. Actually, itong way of work of the Cebuanos,
Yes, sir.
medyo nawawala na, which is we call the weaving o paghahabi. Na lilipat sila sa ibang work kasi yun yung in demand ngayon. So,
Tama.
kami, katulad ng mga fellow furniture maker namin,
Yes, sir.
tinutulungan namin mabuhay ulit yung ganong industriya.
Alright.
At hindi mawala yung ganong industriya, which is inumpisahan niya nila Kenneth Cobonpue. So gusto rin namin ipagpatuloy.
Buhayin ulit. At wag mawala.
At wag mawala.
Kasi yun ang heritage natin
Yes, sir.
bilang Pilipino.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sir, this is your time to invite them for 3 days of
Go
this
ahead.
Manila Fame 2023. Narito na po ang ating mga kasama po.
Yan. We are inviting you all to visit us dito po sa Manila Fame 2023 at World Trade Center po. Marami po kayong makikitang magaganda, mga furniture. Hindi lang po kami, mas marami pa pong magaganda. Please visit us at for sure matutuwa at masasabi kayo sa mga makikita nyo.
Naku, napaka-humble. But I think they are the best. Sir, invite mo sila, sir.
Please look for 51.
Yes, please look for us, 51 All Weather at Hall D.
Okay. So ano ba yung boot number? Meron ba itong boot number?
Yeah, Hall D,
Hall D, alright.
boot J 11 to 18, K 38 to 41. Medyo marami kasi.
Alright. So sir, last message po for the Filipino people. Ano ba yung naitulong talaga, naiambag ng 51 all-weather?
Let's continue supporting our local makers. Maraming magagaling at maraming mga batang possible na magtataguyod ng mga designs ng Filipino. Let's support local.
Wow. Maraming salamat. Palapakan
Thank
naman
you.
natin. What a nice word, no? Okay, siyempre mamaya, huwag kayong aalis. Huwag niyong paalisin pong itong ating panonood po rito. Mamaya papakita ko sa atin yung mga gawa nila. Wow, very excited po yan, no? Siyempre, papasalamat muna tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang gumawa po ng mga booth dito po sa World Trade Center at sa SMX, ang Swedish Design. Yan, yung Swedish Design at saka Binyo Design. Baligtad, ito ang Swedish, ito ang Binyo Design. Sila po ang ating major sponsor na sumusuporta po dito sa Manila Fame 2023 at siyempre sa exhibits today. Sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer, Mr. Vic Angeles, always say, God bless you.